Hello students, start with the next lesson. The next lesson name is Introduction to Intel x86 family. Then discussing the point. First, introduction to advanced microprocessor. Then second one is introduction to x86 family and study of major attributes of the x86 family processors. Then programming model of x86 family of microprocessor. Then first of all, discussing the introduction means what is mean by x86 family. As explained in the last topic, the first microprocessor was a 4-bit, and then in 1978 Intel introduced two 8088 and 8086. Then the IBM and PC-XT were based on 8088, and then Intel started this family by means of advanced version such as 80286, 80386, 80486, working as a powerful microprocessor. Then the development of new CPU chips by Intel continue. The latest microprocessor Pentium 2nd and Pentium 3rd core came into existence. Then this microprocessor developed by the Intel known as a x86 family. Means x86 family काय आहे? The x86 family ही 4-bit ची आहे. Then मायक्रोप्रोसेसर काय आहे तर आपण CPU ची जी चिप आहे त्याच्यासाठी आपण 8086 8088 असे मायक्रोप्रोसेसर यूज केलेले आहे. हे आपण प्रीवियस लेक्चर मध्ये डिस्कस केलेलंच आहे. देन नेक्स्ट वर्जन त्यांनी कोणते डेव्हलप केलेले आहे तर 80286 80386 and last one is 80486. Then the latest microprocessor developing the Pentium 2nd and core came into existence. This is a microprocessor latest version. Then next one is a 16-bit microprocessor. Next point, what is mean by 16-bit microprocessor? The 16-bit MUPS families are used primarily in MU computers and are oriented towards high-level language. They have powerful instruction set and are capable of addressing megabytes of a memory. Means 16-bit MUPS families आपण यूज करणार आहे. Then this is the most powerful instruction set as a capable of addressing. It is a megabytes of a memory. For example, 8086 or 8088. Then next one is a primary objective of this x86 families. There are 5 types of a primary objective. First is a increase memory addressing capacity. Then second one is a increase execution speed. Third one is a provide a powerful instruction set. Fourth one is a facilitating programming in high level languages. And fifth one is a function in multiprocessor environment. This is a primary objective of this x86 family. This is a main points is a this objective can be met by using various design concepts. Let us see each microprocessor with their special features. Then next one is a x86 family. Means what is mean by x86 family? Next, The first point, address bus 20 bits, 16 bits for 8 bit chips. Maximum memory capacity is a 1 megabytes memory. Then second one is a internal structure is divided into BIU and EU. Fetch and instruction execution can occur simultaneously. Then next point, length of internal registers expanded from 8 bit to 16 bit. मीन्स जे लेंथ ऑफ इंटरनल रजिस्टर आहे त्याचा एक्सपांडेड कशात केलेला आहे तर आपण 8 बिट अँड 16 बिट मध्ये केलेला आहे. देन हार्डवेअर मल्टिप्लाय अँड डिवाइड इंस्ट्रक्शन बिल्ट इनटू द प्रोसेसर. देन लास्ट वन पॉइंट, सपोर्ट फॉर an external math coprocessor for floating point operation in hardware as much as 100 times faster. मीन्स सपोर्ट जे करणार आहे एक्सटर्नल मॅथ को प्रोसेसर तर ते 100 टाइम्स ने फास्टर वर्किंग करणार आहे. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज इंटेल 8086 आर्किटेक्चर. An architecture of 8086 with two main processing units EU and BIU. Then when 8085 fetches and execute the instruction, the buses are occupied for the fetch operation but remains the executes the internal execution of that instruction. Then आपण 8086 और 8088 आर्किटेक्चरचे मेन पॉइंट्स डिस्कस करूया. लुक ॲट दिस फिगर. पॉवर अँड क्लॉक एक्सटर्नल रिक्वेस्ट, रिस्पॉन्स टू एक्सटर्नल रिक्वेस्ट अँड मल्टिपल एन्व्हायरमेंट. दिस इज अ पॉइंट्स इन अ 8086 आर्किटेक्चर. देन फर्स्ट पॉइंट, 7 categories of signals. Second one is a maximum and minimum mode. Min mode is used for a single processor and maximum mode is used for a multiprocessor. Then third point, test is a synchronized multiple processor. Data enable generally connected to the bidirectional buffer to isolate MPU from system bus. Then next one is a data translator and recover, controls data flow. Next point, IO or memory indicates whether the processor cycle is a memory operation or IO operation. Then last point, bus high enable the higher order byte of a 16 bit data. मीन्स 808 हे 7 कॅटेगरीचे सिग्नल आपण यूज करणार आहोत आणि त्याच्यामध्ये आपण मीन मोड आणि मॅक्झिमम मोड बघितलं. मीन मोड कशासाठी यूज करणार आहे तर सिंगल प्रोसेसरसाठी आणि मॅक्झिमम मोड हा मल्टी प्रोसेसरसाठी आपण यूज करणार आहोत. दिस इज अ टेस्ट इज अ सिंक्रोनाइज मल्टिपल प्रोसेसर. दिस इज अ IO or memory indicates by the memory operation or a IO operation. Then bus high enable is a higher order byte of a 16 bit data. Next one is a look at this diagram, block diagram of a 8086. This is a look at this diagram, EU and BIU of a 8086. EU means general register and BIU is a segment register and instruction pointer also connected with a address generation and bus control. Then bus control also connected with the instruction queue and general register also connected with the operation and operation also connected to the ALU. ALU means arithmetic logic unit. And last one is a flag. मीन्स जनरल रजिस्टर कडून तुम्ही काही सिस्टीम किंवा काही इन्स्ट्रक्शन फॉलो करायला पाठवले तर त्या ऑपरेशन कमांड करणार आहे आणि ऑपरेशन कमांड हा ALU कडे तुमची सिस्टीम किंवा तुम्ही ज्या इन्स्ट्रक्शन पाठवणार आहे त्या तुम्ही ALU कडे पाठवणार आहे आणि ALU कडे BIU कडून सुद्धा त्या सेगमेंट रजिस्टर इन्स्ट्रक्शन प्रोव्हाइड करून तो ॲड्रेसिंग बसला प्रोव्हाइड करेल आणि ॲड्रेसिंग बस हा इन्स्ट्रक्शन क्यूला रिक्वायर करेल आणि इन्स्ट्रक्शन क्यू हा ALU कडे कनेक्टेड होईल आणि ALU हा ऑपरेशन अँड इन्स्ट्रक्शन क्यू ऑल्सो बोथ ऑन दी operation and instruction queue, both these working for the last point is a flag also connected, means ALU हा त्याच्या सगळ्या instruction ऑपरेशनच्या आणि instruction queueच्या ह्या फ्लॅग कडे पाठवेल. दिस इज अ वर्किंग फॉर अ Intel 8086 architecture. Next one is a programming model of a 8086. The 8086 processor includes 4 16-bit general purpose register AX, BX, CX and DS. They are equivalent to 4 accumulator, even through some register are assigned additional special function. Means programming model मध्ये AX, BX, CX, DX असे त्यांनी accumulator यूज केलेले आहे. Then each register can be associated with the 8-bit register. Means प्रत्येक register हा 8-bit चा असणार आहे. Then the next 4 register are SP, BP, SI and DI which are 16-bit register. मीन्स आपण याच्या आधीचे जे रजिस्टर बघितले ते 8 चे असणार आहे आणि आता जे बघितले ते 16 चे असणार आहे. SP मीन्स स्टॅक पॉइंटर, BP मीन्स बेस पॉइंटर, SI मीन्स सोर्स इंडेक्स and DI means destination index are used as an index register which are not present in a 8085. Comparison of 8086 and 8085. Microprocessor 8085, microprocessor 8086. First point, 8085. It is a 8-bit microprocessor and 8086 it is a 16-bit microprocessor. Second point, address bus is a 16-bit, hence can access 64 KB memory. Then 8086 is a address bus is a 20-bit, hence can access 1 MB memory. Third point, it provides 8-bit register A, B, H, and 8086 is a it provides 16-bit register AX, BX, CX and DX. Then 8 bits of a address bus AD0 to AD7 are a multiplex. Then 8086 is a 16 bits of address bus is a AD0 to AD15 are a multiplex. Then fifth point, flag register is a 8-bit and contains 5 flag. Then 8086 is a flag register is a 16-bit and contain 9 flags. Then last point, operated only in a one mode, and 8086 is a there are 2 operating modes. Means comparison between 8086 and 8085. Thank you students. Keep watch my video.